This is Toronto, one of the most beautiful cities in the world. But did you know that there are some really interesting facts about Toronto City that you probably haven't heard? In this video, we'll be sharing most fun facts about Toronto City that you probably didn't know. From fascinating facts about the city's history to cool facts about Toronto City, please subscribe to our channel, like the video and share. Fact number 1. When it comes to Toronto City history facts, this one is a real eye-opener. Believe it or not, the city of Toronto was originally called Toronto, and not by the English, but by the First Nations people who lived in the area for thousands of years before Europeans arrived. The name Toronto is believed to come from a Mohawk word meaning place where trees stand in water, referring to a nearby portage route. Today, the city of Toronto still bears the same name that the original people gave it. Fact number 2. The city was founded in 1793. It may be hard to believe, but the city of Toronto was founded all the way back in 1793. This historic city has seen a lot of changes over the years, and it's fascinating to think about how far it has come. In 1793, Toronto was initially named York after the Duke of York. It wasn't until 1834 that it officially became the City of Toronto. From then on, the city has grown in population and size and continues to be one of the most popular cities in the world. These facts about Toronto City in Canada show just how significant its history is. Fact number 3. Toronto is Canada's most populous city, and its population size is impressive. According to the 2021 census, over 2.8 million people call this bustling metropolis home. That's more than double the population of Canada's second-largest city, Montreal. These Toronto interesting facts highlight its status as a vibrant urban center. Fact number 4. Toronto spans 630 square kilometers and is packed full of amazing sights, sounds, and experiences. It's easy to get lost in the hustle and bustle of the city, but it's also one of the reasons why people love living here so much. Whether you're looking for outdoor activities, cultural attractions, or just a great night out, you're sure to find something that suits you in this vibrant city. These 10 facts about Toronto help paint a picture of its vastness. Fact number 5. Toronto is one of the most diverse cities in the world, boasting over 200 distinct cultural communities. The city is home to people from all walks of life, including those from Europe, Asia, Africa, and the Americas. In fact, over 50% of the population is foreign-born, making it a true melting pot of cultures. With its vibrant festivals, bustling streets, and diverse cuisines, it's no wonder why Toronto is considered one of the most multicultural cities in the world. These is amazing. Fact number 6. The CN Tower is one of Toronto's most recognizable landmarks, standing at an impressive 553.3 meters, 1,815 feet. Not only is it the tallest freestanding structure in the world, but it also provides spectacular views of the city. The tower is home to a variety of attractions, including a revolving restaurant, a glass-floor observation deck, and even an edge walk experience. Whether you're looking for a unique way to take in the city's skyline or just want to check out the CN Tower's many attractions, it's definitely worth a visit. This is one of those Toronto facts for kids that highlights the city's impressive architecture. Fact number 7. Who knew Toronto could be so balmy? With its rich cultural diversity, vibrant nightlife, and stunning cityscape, it's no surprise that the average temperature in Toronto is a comfortable 21 degrees Celsius. So if you're looking for a mild climate to enjoy your visit to the city, you know what to expect. Pack those sweaters, grab your sunglasses, and get ready for some fun in the sun. Toronto is ready to welcome you. Fact number 8. If you're looking for lots of rain, Toronto is the place for you. On average, the city experiences 1,200 millimeters of rainfall per year. That's a lot of water, enough to fill up your swimming pool. However, with its location on the shores of Lake Ontario and the Niagara Escarpment, the city is constantly being supplied with moisture, so there's no need to worry about it drying up anytime soon. These Toronto, Canada fun facts help you prepare for your visit. Please don't leave without subscribing to our channel, like the video and leave your comment below. Let's meet in the next one. Bye.
Wake up, no snooze, got a goal to chase. Mirror talk strong, I see that face. Weight stacked up like mountains high, but I climb every rep, watch me touch the sky. Heart's on fire, breath is tight, but I ain't stopping, this is fight or flight. Each drop of sweat's a badge I earn. Iron in my grip, feel the muscle burn. Beast mode on, no turning down. I grind till I wear the crown. Push that pain, break that limit. One more rep, I'm all in it. Louder than doubt, stronger than fear. I came to win, make that clear. Beast mode on, this is my zone. The gym's my throne. I stand alone. Legs feel heavy, arms feel sore, but I ain't leaving till I give some more. Clock ticks slow,